Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, my people. Now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, I just sent me a quick talk this message before I will do my daily thing this morning. My message is to Yore One of Paris. Yore One of Paris, I listened to your music, your message this morning. I don't know when you do the message. I feel the thing be the what you talk be as it gets. It don't stand well. You know, it don't stand well. So everybody know if he agree on what you talk. And we actually agree with you on it because in a way I info and you know maybe wrong where some people will not get on my way saying on every man you see. Because we can't even tell you we maybe we say no man. No we might so wrong where at the end of the day all we were saying in the who are you or we wrong. So obviously we go so I don't want to say now mama. Especially when you now get to do with a not concerning relationship. You cannot help it sometimes. I mean, but when I say, well, look at the man. You have to look at the man before you go into a relationship. My brothers and sisters, I want to really ask you now. Who no man when you write down for head say this man not go fuck up tomorrow. The man no piani or he will never fuck up. No my yata, but at the end of the day you do fuck up. The man no but this woman will never fuck up. No my yata, at the end of the day you will do fuck up. Because you will do the both sides or not here. But the pouvoir is so out of purposely. Where you can wash show when you are doing it. Ubege, you are tired of it on the or piani. Then I mean, what you be? Or one of you where you were saying, she will never appreciate. Or one of you where you were saying, piani, he will never appreciate. So, and then I'm not to them the social media president in Mulaja. It's only one of Paris when we are going. No. We're going with you, my sister. Uma going say, Uma de going say, when we're not going to do bury seleke. I mean, why total your down live video in a why we are able to find no me and water or what, but we're going rubbish here with that talent. You made the way the video rubbish, my sister. Uga talo, umama mi no tama we muritamu when I rubbish uga ata. Umate me no tamata, so who not a mujiano kuya mama we done. Where tita we ko do nubu egbuwe ya fefefe. Okwo no we say no tiwelu no tiwelu kuya. But to pull when I'm the war, to what battle war or you walk, but only Gilego, and I'm your war 2 years seleke, even your panel will not twin. Where to pull when you only one of Paris, when you may never with once. What it I will not show one year, holding my love. And you always know we are no giving me, or the Leavego, also who I, or 1 year seleke. Every time I wear so we are now, my love you. Why get but because of what people are now doing, misusing that love and that help. The love only are happy. Yeah, misusing any other person or we had the because you are the one bunny all the singing was saying. If you don't want to party, you know what talk about my sister. Oh, mommy, Jody, you know what talk about. Upere no see na me we ezo eti for social media wo see social media president baba wo ama no we bi na no I am okay fine ebi roto ne o se we na do but you can be bi na about trafficking I gba no ma for but with this I stand on you as a woman because some women they are really naive. Anybody can fall a victim. No what no your boss will do. It was so ye zeno wani amade ya uka. Ave for woman no muyani. So ye zeni we after 20 years we are you do beyo. And so you say no after 50, after how many years? Yeah, could not do me any abia you might got that thing momo. You don't want to Paris, also not born with you. Better women, one better one, you know, we say you were there or the Nuva. I'm sorry to say. When we bring the life way out as a mirror every time we are born. You just came back to a cast to get to now more bogbe. I will let you on your memory will take you, but the bedroom will ask you about the don't reach or can't talk book when you don't want to Paris. Oh, we're not coming to go, you won't see. I have a tear no one won't be anywhere to we are like it. We are how we married to go to what to go with what to help me, Annie. He got one morage, only Vena Gomene. Only Vena Gomene. Una will not help it, to go no help it. Okay, now don't sister not the Latin where ni ever happy don't reach or even that you my sister. When we get the Chinese boy boom no be for love ya. E so ro ya vie wa so yin gun ya ma mi obe. When we gele gun aseni we ti mo jin ere re wo pe nu ke gun bo se ni ama na ho. Ija ona na be bi ona na. Everybody have his life to live. But some of us don't even we say na you be so sister na they na you enjoy him wherever they are. Even when I be sorry to you bad luck we no na do ya suna where o ma no we say na do kin onwere. When we can we say do pele we to bugo be at the end of the day who we lay worry. O ma no is a the ticket o ya mo pe Africa they don't not bring finest ya fefe we bo. Other way no le we boni no Africa na yin ya mu. Ona do clean it up. Already now who no mo 40,000 and 30,000 in no. Because a time of her stress of her everything or ya we now ni. E to be your ona fi apa we no pe ani la we bo. Or take extra mind to do that. At the end of the day, we guy, you know, guy, you buy baba ne, or we no bullshit. And you always now. Okay, the answer what only or you don't reach well, I will marry me. At the end of the day, is it what we no me a property, her life savings, no me no buy a video. Don't visual when or don't back in the look woman. Will you clap for your brother or your sister? No, but another thing back where I will mean as no that way, yeke. But I wish they throw money and let to go what they be a pop on the shit. What will be my room, nanny, don't reach my sister. All they know, eh? Oh, any other way because in a way, Gaza. Or wait don't reach your what all your ring is you, boy, engagement ring. What go on? There's way to girl give a going on to marry you, no lily, manalele, then you never saw according to you when we are tired with you, so Yahweh. Okay, but not give a warning. I don't know even can do Richie. He has every right to say, okay, we are in a married. But if you go kobo money, or return you out for him to be free, for him to have a long life and have a peaceful life. But not say exotic for the social media. In the park binaji for how many days now? We're like the world watch try to turn the effort down. Who are you? Don't matter you just keep your mouth shut. Keep your fucking mouth shut. Because sometimes I just why matter. But every of your son were moving at the bone were moving my sister. Ilave. I to wait to be you know where Taway or when okay, I'm not going to worry. Who are you where here? So, Master will be as a book here very well. But we ever hope you go all your deal. Why you for how many years now? No, we ask my soldier mission show. One I'm here to what they be over your or book me. Why? Or you move here where you move here, where you here? Who are the many thousands of the on don't have fear women driving license where you have to. Man, no fear, Mulogo to fear no. Up back Amuna. Up back Amuna, but the Nebuku. Up back Amuna. Ah? When we are poor, Mamma show where or where to book or where a boy any of the work behind or behind here or where or behind Duana who were. When I bother who, when I'm more done, when I'm with boyfriend, when I go where we believe when we know or Bible that was a we believe you go back. we to bu we adultery. Aveti Monica adultery woman, we to bu was the highest adultery woman. Cause we put our money Latina. Or devour we got home at the same time. Huh? Or devour we got home at the same time. And still, okay, not say we are here. Oh no, you're more kono we even go komo or more so of everybody. That's kudos for that. Eh? But my sister, sometimes I got tell me, why I want to work, or who went to work, all you could say. All you could say, then we go on going on when I'm a bogbe. I bet the rich car when I be seeing one, ya pay, whether you turning effort to down. Stand for women, stand for women. And now you stand for women, and we're done, my sister. And we're done. Who tell matter no law? Okay, we man no warning we gele no, we matter gele no. We make say donating we no, we matter gele no gele di go huna. O man no. But at the end of the day, lads and wo donate can take book. My sister want donate, who can take donate. They will not gele tani eri ogeleje. Because who can have why at the end of the day do 12 for who here no. While the 12 for me are not concerned here we ya le utule ya for. But I am for Africa. I feel me ya for get out of my life. But the direction you for my feel me egbe. We wait to tell you now. What I told you eh. Oh what your my bug yeke. Oh my bug yeke no manya. No money in mania. We wait to tell you, during one of Paris, what it was your boss the when you were there. Emma, no, you don't do that. Wait to work on your work behind Africa, no, no move. Where we work behind it to be. Or I'm going to say, I'm going to be. Because to we were saying the person. When I'm not we say no piare we no piare to gbo ni but here asin we work pa de gbe all women all over the world wala waga me no di wa ori owe ko wala dia wa to ladia irrespective of what people will say. This is the highest of no say ni equality ladia out of this rape issue now. Ladia why you go put auto for her? But they don't know the things inside. Because of this stigma, we were trying to pull it down. Although you're a big, or we come give Monica, woman says, or my boy say, or my brother, this is the right time. I am well, the women will listen you well at them. No, the word on the L and why? A effort in a panic. Okay, now a panic, they get bass on you now. You make effort to pull effort in it down. How will you feel? We're denying me. We're going to panic like that. No. Anything really talk against the part that you are talking against it. How will you feel? Wow, yes, so, eh? Wow, yes, so. Here, let no one you went to better with the vow. I don't reach a man when you no, you are sick, but definitely, Gianna, as soon as you don't reach in the door. Okay, when you give a can, we give a venue, I was on a venue. Okay, why they have what the girl at the end of the day? No, I will no constantly way, no coming. They knock me and I know who I am here. Or we a guano. You might only told your family if you will give me that. Huh? We want to encourage this kind of set of lazy men. We want to encourage you. You know where maybe don't reach you have something very, very, very secret. We're going to reach you. Mama me go what lay cause against that woman. The way pastor which doctor walking, where man in uti boy and you make no ya gbon. You can't boil your child on you boy, and one more lady. No, you don't do that. Once I no boy. I'm not saying no matter woman down. I'm not saying no no. I will never leave her alone irrespective of anything. I am near. Although I made a model, although I get a muggle, can one in our near family. But if I don't have a mere so before you came with what if you say, yeah, negative, you have fear, you. It's a question, we are proponent of Richie, so when no view, when no follow us. No, the nation, so they should try to get follow us when you go on, when you are big wojo. When Don Richie is a responsible man, the responsible man will stay in Africa for how many months and win at the Weibo. The responsible man on your mooking, we're mooking over Bungo, and was a woman who will stay in Africa, we are a man on where no Weibo. Otherwise, the boss to go now be all my responsible and I'm winner with one another. When Don Richie, you're a responsible person or you're a responsible man with tear or so, when no fabrica no in a winner Weibo. Now I know why it's cooking who only party at the man. Wow. Social media na me story why social media na be roye na bitana. Huh? When no one say wa Coco Deva at the same time. When we make cast to get to woni we. I know for real. When no one ajibo wo me ya Coco bi bo. We ti tawo we ma fio body ekpo ni go no bi bo one day. We jore one up. We are set it time. Oh we really go you go ma fio body ekpo. All we one around. So all we said we can. Yeah, where she was just naive and she was carried away. But that doesn't mean we should castigate her to the lowest pit. My sister, you will fight and get your freedom by God's grace. Because I said, no. I said, oh, matter when you done. I didn't know what I'm not saying. If not, I will say. You will get your freedom. Oh, do not your job. You will see I need to reach me. Now, when we head to Buwe, you will know where I don't mass and we could have been. If not, you will you will get it. Don't be ashamed of anybody. No. Go where I give only one where I left away. Sometimes you are even better than them. Why will you castigate a woman like that? I mean, one man make a mistake for her lifetime or for his lifetime. Was there anybody? No, so nobody will take stone. You should be the first to stone her. Why you will prostitute the second of it? That doesn't matter if you look back. You want to go back and go on one road a second. Huh? What one okay, if some of them, I mean, no, anyone out here have this kind of problem. When you are the larger women all over the world, please, if you have anything that you know you will use it, so other people will learn from your mistake. Please come out. Please come out. I get to make that watch and throw. Tell me we talk every soon. I don't make that watch and throw, ladia. Why will you say the word of Lajan? Word of Lajan? I didn't know. What you say, go the rich in anybody Lajan. What's the name of Lajan? They will not beg, they will not tired. They can not shame. I'm a test. Now your test up there. Well, here, Dejo. No, everything, anything that has to do with relationship is trial. Everything that has to do with relationship is trial. No one is perfect that you will say, if I don't enter this relationship, it go better for me. Nobody. You go get the message, it go better for you, but at along the line, if you don't beg, if you don't work, you cannot help it. Some people say, hey, why you not look the man before you enter? You have to look. Which man that they look? Which they think they look man? It get machine where they think they look man way good. It get machine where they think they look woman way good. They not there. No machine like that. So how you contain no man way good? They talk that word, they vex me. And you need to look out for 1 year. And you're supposed to have your just see man, your job born for her. You get some relationship where you just see man today, you get better tomorrow. God, if not, you don't know what God destines for you except you are there. You can never know. You don't feel know. So say, well, you supposed to don't know say nation true. Yeah, you say no say nation true. If, for example, say if not be the girl go toast him, say you don't even know who be Don Richie. If you even feel the year, but you not hear the bad side of it. If you fall in victim, even some people even there, so some people even feel tell and say this girl if they go so now bad person or not go. And sometimes you go even try, it will come better for her. It dey happen like that. It dey happen. So what it make you think say now because you just tell her say you must take your own. You go only do God own. At the end of the day, if you don't work, you don't work. There is nothing you can do about it. Yeah? You is only one of Paris. You don't say marry, go, you marry. At the end of the day, you come out. Why you not say you two get sense now? You get the whole sense pass. You work well. Marry now how much to work. So I cannot work in where we're not take Google the most sensible woman. Then where your marriage with your acquire? Huh? Eka we not do there over na we are no gba ogi ya we ya lele ba ya no gba ogo na de doctor no re no fe wa so aju gbugbeju ogun every day no e go na wa gbugbeju won except won re to ni ya wa kala li ke yi re ni no pe wa le go trust how are you stupid I love you, you are crazy. Hey, come, I call you since morning. You not good pick now, go to kill your mama. Not when your mama follow Jerusalem. No, error now. They like a snake. They come at the end of the day, like nearly the girl fall in love, or the boy fall in love. Then they start to bring out their character. So why all this? Why will you castigate the fellow woman like you? Huh? I beg don't let you when we why I'm with something now. Huh? We're not cover or board to say to now we board to say we go we're not that we go not that le ya go ya pedo okua. Una avie koko dry tears. Okay, nebo ya bo myself na gas we run that nebo na aragbo. Always say no we go mana ya mugo yo. When 1 year plus on here we go. Myself no we go ya mugo yo. Don't have a situation where you na go ne. U feel me kwade. I work with B1 in the social media. I work with B1. Why would I think we are made Kokobiri? Why made Kokobiri? Kokobiri, money here. Ah, no, where's here? We're going to mess around the room with Kokobiri, no matter when you 100 times. There are women that stays in the state, non-Nigerian men that have better life, even more than some Nigerian men. Some Nigerian men, they are so worthless. Some, they are so what they not a single respect for a woman, they don't know it. So, they are very true, when they try, they are never, or not decided, well, I don't want to have it to do with a Nigerian man. We are going to go, hey, what's the area going over here to never wear? They can not be arrow, what on man or Taroy. Arrow, they took where more of a man where the time of it, but moving anyway, is really your, that's when we were selling to 7 we were. What's the woman one of this show? None don't reach was a woman more. We bought our store where you're not Paduari, I did not. What's a woman more probably what go on here? What's a woman more? Okay, 2 men more, so Manamu, so do not again, ma. What can good one carve no mave, no, ya mistakenly, a day or no so at your bonia. Well, buy, Baba, buy, Baba. Then again, I yes, and I'm in the social media, and I give it popular, and I saw your own, then less social media. And that's all you're all. Yeah, less social media. Yeah, my social media exists. Yeah, Netflix. Or I know people like that. They don't even know what is going on. I was up on again. I tell you, hello. Do you know thousands of people that is in this world? Some people they don't even want to hear all these things that is going on. They don't want to have anything to do with it. Why will you castigate a woman like that to the essence of what we book? But they do that time naturally. I don't go with your opinion when you can't go back, but no, you don't do that. Let's stand for women. We make mistakes. She was so stupid, she was so foolish. But that doesn't mean we should put her down in the time she needs us the most. If you as a woman cannot help her, who else do you want to help? Don't know we're going to help her. A man that stood and said, I want to fight for this woman, you are pulling his efforts down. By telling Dorichi, he will go scot-free with all this. What is he doing in this Europe? Then the Dorichi will be Europe now. No, you acquire all those words in acquire. When I shall marry me at enemy. And you know you come over the yami okay. So for my boma or my bomb rock bajo. Wait on me a boy or Nazadopia. When we go for a gamma chopper. Okay, I open up me a boy when I'm on a big Abi, when no go when I'm on a big book. While 2 o'clock, around 8 or 7, when I saw massive. You don't know all those things is also stress for you, my sister. It's stressing on you. You are not resting. Yes, you are not resting. It's stressing on you. Can't. Watching the camera, your face, you are almost the face. And you're the Do the needful, take care of yourself, sleep well, relax yourself, eat good food, go to doctor, those things, have something good. Why are you stressing yourself just because you want to make some meaningless advice? No matter what the time it's all meaningless, my sister. It's all meaningless. Please share this video and let it get to her. It's all meaningless. It doesn't count. You make the wrongest mistake and people will be looking down on you, but it's all about a guana. And not only you have to you have followers, you have people that believe in you, you are not more than the bottom. Fine. Or anybody you ever say, it's bad for you to have people. But don't ever you pull anybody down. So they talk about you wrong, make better don't even smooth that. Not make them mistake. Yeah, never you make the mistake or where you have to tell Nana man, no, it's healing wounds on you. At the end of the day, when do I put in public where nobody should come out? Who are you? Who are you to say that? When I get on do work, be all Bruce. O make bonu we home any Joma Maka we go get le love well. We are not so we are na ya mweko no ko we mo. At the end of the day, that mu lakwa. E ke no piana gele mo so for we bo alaba. Ke no na gele tip ya gele clean fu. O we bo ha agese wa. Dan e don reach we get tia bo no ko no help e. No so we mo na mare e. Wu he no ya so do gi he no ya so mo na mare e. Ah? Abi we wa. Who will walk down and say, walk clean for? Who will walk down not clean? Who will walk down not clean? Carry that one time, one more say, now we go. So where go we go? It's why class where we do, but who are because but none of it go where they move, they go. Hey, look, they go because where I know we go, we go. Huh? Over Bonum, we're here for how many years? So why you come on and we come on driving license here? No more than away, I say, my office will lay a away at the motor, who don't know you feel where you feel with it. Well, why don't you, Dr. Kelly? I'm not supposed to go on there, no making all this about how he has boy. I'm not an effort. I'll be all the power, Sakwana, money power, Sakwa, they know your way ahead. And we tell all this rubbish we do now. Eh? My sister, please. It's really annoying. It's annoying. It's not good. And you know where you're my sister, Sister Omo, that this thing happened to. Wherever you are, please look for a way. But if it is true, what you say, look for any way to fight your property back. It's not by force. Fight your things back. Sometimes you retreat your step back. Don't force it. And don't let any woman pull you down for it. No. Pull you down for it. Not do stigmatize you. Do you know thousands of women that are in this deep shit? But still, I will still tell you, please, never you fall for it next time. Okay, when you not take love when you walk around need, no yak your power back where. As you to the sound we in the Dorichika we or too much we. You don't know better. What I know there, why the Iowa. And there we born a gene, we put the do a jeve and I load there. I can't then in a me will not go on there. Oh, Crackop, me no one I découvert what you're not love. I make an need jobo. None with jobo, not a need to book me. It's a genuine jobo. At the end of the day, it's still we really ladia. Huh? So please, you're one of Paris. I just came out for you this morning. Eh? In the lads are nowhere. It's all rubbish. It's baseless as far as I'm concerned. It's baseless. It might make sense. Because no boy is second. I'm quite even boy. Go and look for a way to take care of yourself. Enough for no man get near yak. I might get you, but I'll get you again in Joshua. Who will take you to where working when I end. You're a big boy walking. Because if I might win a back with boy, I will not care anyone. If you ever walk, I will go come here. Huh? Who was stupid? Huh? When you walk, on every only woman walking out of boat, then we are moving on, well, move away to board, no one even to boy. Huh? I bet we come and act, but we are it out with my zero in there. I no money waka bubu na mu yodorito but stupidly. But on we kede or the other woman kede na zela den ogbo so we are when we do calculate who was the sele na le baba. Yeah, Sister Kate, I'm thank you so much for you coming out yesterday to encounter this rubbish that she said. Sister Esther, may God bless you also. A video wife, so God bless you for you coming out to stand with a power for this. We women, we have to stand with ourselves. Let's stand now because of sentiment. And you what here, a responsible man who said. Even Dorichi is a responsible man. What up with the normal set in Yaniki? So a set in Yaniki, they're responsible man set in Yaniki. One I have ever Buyari go never normal set in Yaniki. Where do what the no with the village no wet to knock back? Huh? When you are when you are happy, you are better. On a list stupidly happy, but beyond reasonable doubt in ya. One way bogbe. Huh? Evolution, prayer no pray they don't reach it with all turn over because no say no not turn over because a set work only touch zero in there. Na can go, na can you we. Then I get no you social media na no you zero no dafinya. If you should buy no you when in live video na thousands. And I live video thousands. No you zero no no you I'm not bad. I'm not bad. I'm not a mad dog, but I'm bad. And this is not a beggar. Where the rich are even a good boy. But is relent from baby and not you. Or not relent. There is any yes when you usually. Oh, what's what is there? No, yes, do you think why it was this 100 million? Huh? What here? At the end, I don't you big girl. I see no what does any be. When you use one way, I want to make it clear. Anything a boy, I don't really believe in a boy. No, it's all she also care. He soaked her into love, especially she just came out of one relationship, so she wanted something that would put her mind down. Otherwise, they can say sometimes I tell women, don't rush. And rush into a relationship because sometimes when you rush into it, you will miss it. Don't. Please, my ladies, don't. If you had a heartbreak, relax yourself. Calm down. Even if you are entering another relationship, the way you are relationship in it. Calm down. Just I mean that shock in it. Ever fall into it. No. Because many of them, many women, many men, they are chameleons. So, because of that shock, she came out of her previous relationship. Or see another day, but the day you worried the Richie. Has she done any wrong? No. There are good men. Now, they help you already on it. You don't take you longer. Then when I party, you are spray go. Then when I always, yeah, competition, let do ya here. Because I want to belong. What rubbish? You're the one of Paris, please. If you don't know what to say, sometimes it's certain matter. Just get a shot of fuck up. Hey, Guan. What gunu? What gunu? Don't get me. Wait. Hey, mokin, we mokiani. Where did I we not kekene as a man? Where to tell? Where's it to tell? It's really like who your baba bune, ne, ovi boni. Oh, your papa boon, expecting where you don't go where you know your way now. Huh? We are the end of your way, respecting where you know you go where Mukian go, you are the end of your door. I be there to your mark for any connections where I am over your door. Was it not a mood going and not a more dogu? Huh? Where would you don't go about talking in a mujaga? When my way, let go women 77 go women class 7 go when any years. Where to where you yourself you know. Say where dogu where say class. Where am I? And I would not talk of I'm saying of presentations. Bogalajan went to preach no cow. Or we Bogalajan to preach Jesus Christ. Whoever were confused. So my sister, please, when you things like this, when you see where people are fighting for people, just shut up your mouth. If you don't know what to say, shut your dirty mouth off. Don't castigate your fellow woman. No. No, don't do that. Because I go when you have zero with the man who you married with Nigeria, they just live video with law, no over fighting at that time. You would have still be happy. Maybe already when you wear pants wearing. Why would this woman be in her pants? She says from 2012. How long is that? We are now in 2021. Eh? So live video now this things now. My you make poverty only. Oh my you poor. Like it on Facebook. Facebook now is just last year. I met to be my live Facebook. You know what one of them and me well I have my picture of you. I don't like it. I don't like it. But I believe the way change the way. Okay, let me join the group. So sometimes you can even talk of Shentro. Why you do this Shentro now? You believe Shentro you remove here because the man has not given her the reason to doubt him when he is Shentro. Or the woman might already give her the reason to doubt for the man to doubt her where he a player. So okay, yeah, if you should try muhiya, okay, yeah, who no ready, little muhiya. Until things start to unfold before you know. So my sister, please, next time, try. I try. So please, if there's any way I feel bad way,